Hi there guys, welcome to my email autoresponder lesson number 7 in terms of integration between your email autoresponder, which in this case will be Aweber and other third-party software. Now, in order to understand why we need this integration, you need to understand the entire flow of this business. So on the left, you have the traffic that actually goes into your squeeze page, and this squeeze page is usually done by third-party funnel building softwares, then followed by going into the respective different offers for those people who actually opt in their email addresses and other information they wish to collect on the squeeze page. Now, after they have opted into the squeeze page, two things will happen. Firstly, when they click on the submit button in your squeeze page, they will automatically be directed to whatever offer that you wish to bring them to. At the same time, simultaneously, this lead will be captured by your email autoresponder into any specific list that you wish to capture them on. So this process is whereby we talk about integration here. So if you go back again to your Aweber account and you click on integration, alright, you will see this particular page. If you have any integration that has already been done, it will be under connected integrations here. Now, however, if you want to check what are the available softwares, or rather I would say third-party softwares that you can actually integrate your Aweber account with, these are the few that you see over here. Okay, and there's a lot over. Like for example, if you go to page 2, you have ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Mail Opt-in, Zapier, so on and so forth. There are a lot of integration that you can do. Very easy to do the integration. Like for example, if you have a ClickFunnels account, all you need to do is to click over here and click on Connect Integration. But please remember to log into your ClickFunnels account in a separate window. And from there, automatically, they will give you the API key, which all you need to do is just to copy the API key and paste it into your ClickFunnels account. Or if you are using the latest edition, automatically, once you click on Connect Integrations, they will automatically link up with each other. So that whatever pages that you use to design in ClickFunnels will automatically be capturing the email addresses into your Aweber respective list. Okay guys, so this is the essence in terms of integration. Basically, this integration is referring to integrating your Aweber account with any other third-party softwares that you're actually using to assist in your Make Money Online journey. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care.